Maybe says, how did you make the grid in the background? Easy, just go to this little rectangle here. Make sure you have it, make sure you've got a stroke selected, and then go to object. Let's see if I can remember here. Object, path, split into grid. Set your preview there. Then you can just kind of like add as many rows, add as many columns as you want. I like to take the dimensions of whatever it is that whatever the canvas is that I'm designing in, throw those dimensions into ChatGPT and just say like, oh, you know, make me a grid with like perfect squares or something like that, or how many rows and columns do I need on this in order to have perfect squares, and you can get something like this.